Hi everyone. So obviously my children's school is supporting children in need, and instead of buying the pudsey headbands, we thought we'll make our own. And here is my mom wrapping a fluffy material around a simple headband. So any kind of fluffy material, just wrap it around the simple headband and sew it all the way around. My second son has decided that he wants to make a sock puppet, so I just thought I'd let him use, any old sock and do a puppet with it. Yeah, nothing to do with children in need, he just felt like it. So pudsey headbands are usually yellow or brown, so they're painting it first in white to cover the stripes, and then they're gonna paint it in yellow to make it look like Pudsy's ears. So here you see my mom making the ears to be sewed on top of the headbands. So she makes an oval shape, sews it all the way around. After you sewn it and you fold it inside out, get either some cotton wool or some pillow stuffing or any kind of fluffy material to stuff inside the ears to make it a bit more 3D. Here is Aliyah painting one of the ears in white, and then she's going to go over that in yellow. And that's Sahiba over there with her aunt painting her headband in yellow. Yeah, I know the stripes are showing, but since we couldn't get rid of them, we just thought, why not make it seem like we're putting Pudsey and blush together in one headband. That's the only explanation I can give since we couldn't hide the stripes. Yep, my son's still at it with his sock puppet. So everyone, this turned out to be an epic fail because it took ages to dry, and we kind of realized that we won't be able to sew the ears on if the whole painting doesn't dry. So we just thought, you know what, let's just go and buy some headbands. So they are gonna wear the store-bought headbands. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please do donate. There are children desperately in need of our help. So yeah, here's the website.